right, y'all. I got everything ready to go. I got my red beans and rice over here, which I might go ahead and push those to the front a little bit. I got all my tartar sauce and my coleslaw that they sent me. Whew. And one set of utensils, so y'all tell me something. Just one set for this 5-piece dinner. I'm sure this would feed 5 whole people, you know. Because, you know, that's how I eat. I eat enough for 5 whole people. Let's see, a little bit of ketchup here. I'm going to stick some ketchup on one of these lids I got out here in the front. Oh, man, y'all. It's been a good week. It's been a pretty good week. I mean, I've had some days where I was kind of like, but so does everybody else. It's all good, though. It's all good, you know. You know that Facts of Life show, you know. You take the good, you take the bad, you take them both, and there you have the facts of life. So, you know. I don't really have a whole lot to complain about. I'm very fortunate like that. Let me get a bite of the coleslaw first. Okay. The beans look good. You got some of the bean juice all over the rice. Oh, a little bit of sausage in that bite too. All right. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna be putting some hot sauce on that though. All right. I'm gonna just say the fries look good. They look tasty, but they're the floppy fries. Some people don't like floppy fries. Some people just like the crispy. But those are seasoned really well. Yep, my food's definitely cool and quick, so. Let me get on with it. A little hush puppy. And the honey butter. Crispy. Oh yeah.